In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Slack to Intercom via Channeled. This connection helps you bring your Slack activity into Intercom so your team can coordinate conversations and updates without switching back and forth between tools. Follow along slowly and make sure you are signed into the correct Intercom account before you start. First, click Settings. You will usually find this option in the main navigation area. Take a moment to confirm you are in the settings area, because the next screens control how communication channels are configured. Once you are there, go ahead and click Channels. This is where Intercom lists the available channel integrations and where you can manage which external tools are connected. After you open Channels, click Slack. This step tells Intercom that you want to connect your Slack workspace as a communication source. You should see a prompt or a connection page that explains what information will be requested. Next, click Connect Workspace. This is the button that begins the authorization flow between Intercom and Slack. It is an important step because it establishes the permission for Intercom to access the specific workspace you choose. Now you will be taken to the Slack sign-in screen. Sign in to your Slack workspace using the account that has permission to manage Slack integrations. If Slack asks you to confirm details or select a workspace, choose the correct one that you actually want to connect to Intercom. The goal here is to ensure Intercom is connected to the right Slack environment, since selecting the wrong workspace can cause messages or channel updates to appear in unexpected places. Once you complete sign-in, click Allow. This authorizes Channeled and Intercom to access what they need from Slack to complete the integration. Pay attention to the permission screen so you are comfortable with what is being enabled. After you click Allow, you will return to the Intercom side of the setup. At this point, you will be able to select the Slack channels you want to connect. Take a moment to review the list of channels shown on screen. Choose only the channels your team wants Intercom to monitor or receive from. If you have multiple channels for different topics, you may want to select those that match the support or communication flow you have in mind. This selection step matters because it determines which conversations and updates will be brought into your Intercom workflow. When you have chosen the channels, click Add Channels. This finalizes the channel selection and applies the connection so Intercom begins using the channels you picked. If the interface shows a loading state or a confirmation message, wait for it to finish so you know the changes were saved successfully. Adding the channels, take a brief moment to confirm that the selected channels appear in the connected list. This small check helps ensure the setup is complete and prevents confusion later if a channel was not added correctly. If anything seems missing, you can return to the channel selection and repeat the last portion, but in most cases, everything will appear right away. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.